Hello everyone. Let me ask you something. Have you ever stopped to think how much of our daily life now happens online? From learning and teaching to chatting, sharing, creating, even solving global problems. It's all digital now. So here is a big question. Are we truly prepared to navigate this digital world wisely and responsibly? That's exactly where digital intelligence comes into play. Digital intelligence is not just about knowing how to click buttons or swipe screens. It is about using technology wisely, responsibly, and creatively to learn, grow, and make a difference in society. Let's explore its four key components through real life classroom examples.
Digital intelligence is not just about knowing how to use a gadget or applications. It's much more than that. It's about having the skills, values, and awareness to use technology effectively, ethically, and safely. Whether you are a teacher, student, or anyone in between, digital intelligence helps you succeed in the digital age. Alright, let's break it down. Digital intelligence has a few key components. Ready? Let's go. Digital literacy, the foundation of smart learning. Digital literacy is the ABC of the digital world. It's the skill to access, evaluate, create, and communicate information using technology. Think about it. When a student searches on Google for the climate change, can they tell the difference between a reliable scientific article or a random blog post? Or when they prepare a presentation, can they use tools like Canva or PowerPoint not just for decoration but to communicate ideas powerfully? Let's see one example. In one school project, grade 9 students were asked to compare news coverage of the same event on 3 different platforms. They learned how bias can creep in and how digital literacy helps us ask, is this fact, opinion, or fake? Now, second one is digital citizenship, being responsible in the digital society. Digital citizenship, it's all about how we behave online. Do we treat others with respect? Do we think before posting? Do we understand that our digital actions have real world consequences? Being a good digital citizen is just like being a good human. The ethics of our online life, just as we teach students how to behave in the classroom, we must teach them how to behave in the digital world. It's about respecting others, protecting one's privacy, and being aware of our digital footprint. Now let's see one example. A teacher asks students to post comments on the class discussion board, but with one golden rule. Would you say this if the person was sitting right in front of you? Suddenly, online discussions become respectful, thoughtful, and meaningful. That is digital citizenship in action. Digital creativity and innovations, moving from consumers to creators. Digital creativity means using technology to create, solve, and innovate. Now think about few questions. Can you make a short film about climate change? Design an application to help your school recycle better. Tell a story using AI tools. That's where your imagination meets technology and amazing things happen. Digital intelligence is not complete if students only consume content. They should create, innovate, and solve problems using technology. Okay, now see one example. In one school, Students designed a simple mobile app to help their community track water usage. Another group created a short animated video on recycling. Notice what is happening. Technology is no longer just entertainment, it's becoming a tool for social impact. There is where digital creativity aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals. Students are not just learning, they are becoming problem solvers for the planet. Digital resilience and cybersecurity awareness, staying safe in the digital jungle. Finally, resilience. Of course, the digital world is not always sunshine and memes. There are risks of cyberbullying, scams, misinformation. It means bouncing back from online stress, spotting digital threats, protecting your personal data, and looking out for others too. It's like your emotional and security shield in digital spaces. A resilient learner does not panic when faced with online threats. Instead, they stand strong, protect their data, and even friends navigate challenges. So, my friends, digital intelligence in education is built on four powerful pillars: literacy, citizenship, creativity, and resilience. Together, they shape not just good students but responsible global citizens ready for the future. And remember, being digitally intelligent is not about how many apps you know, it's about how wisely, ethically, and creatively you use them. That's the real superpower. When we teach and learn these digital skills the right way, we are not just helping ourselves, we are also contributing to some pretty big global goals like quality education, gender equality, climate action, peace, and justice. All these sustainable development goals are deeply connected to digital intelligence. Here is the bottom line: when we build digital intelligence in schools and colleges, we are not just preparing students for jobs, we are preparing them to become ethical, innovative, and thoughtful global citizens. And that's the kind of world we all want to live in, right?